Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Piyush Zone, myself Priya. Today I am going to discuss about setoff and counterclaim. Order 8 Rule 6 of Civil Procedure Code deals with setoff. So let us know the meaning of setoff. Setoff is a kind of counterclaim that operates as a defense to the claim. The doctrine of setoff allows the defendant to put his own claim against the plaintiff before the court in certain circumstances. For example, A files a suit against B claiming 5,000, but B claims that A owes 3,000 to B. Here, B asks setoff of rupees 3,000 and pay only rupees 2,000. There are certain conditions which needs to be fulfilled by the defendant to claim setoff, which I am going to discuss now. The first one is suit is for recovery of money. The second one is the sum of money should be ascertained. The third one is the sum should be legally recoverable. The fourth one is it should be recoverable by the defendant or defendants. The fifth one is it should be recoverable by the defendant from the plaintiff or plaintiffs. The sixth one is it should not exceed the pecuniary jurisdictions of the court. Now let us discuss about the effects of setoff. When a defendant claims setoff, he is put in a position of the plaintiff as regards to the amount claimed by him. When a plaintiff does not appear, or if the suit is dismissed, or if he withdraws, then it does not affect to the setoff claimed by the defendant, and the decree is passed in favor of defendant if he proves his claim. For example, P sues Q on a bill of exchange for rupees 1,500. Q holds a judgment against P for rupees 1,000. Here, both the claims are definite, so it may be a setoff. As of now, whatever I have discussed is legal setoff, but now I am going to discuss about equitable setoff. A transaction where goods are exchanged for services as well as payment, a setoff in such transactions are called equitable setoff. Now let us know the differences between legal setoff and equitable setoff. In legal setoff, the sum claimed should be ascertained, but in equitable setoff, it need not to be ascertained. In legal setoff, claim need not originate from the same transaction, but in equitable setoff, claim should originate from the same transaction. Legal setoff is claimed as the right of the defendant and the court is bound to adjudicate upon that claim. But the equitable setoff is not the right, but it's the court's discretion. In legal setoff, court fee is paid on the setoff amount, but in equitable setoff, no such fee is required. In legal setoff, the amount must not be time barred, but in equitable setoff, amount may be time barred. Now let us move on to counterclaim. Rule 6A to 6G of Order 8 of Civil Procedure Code deals with counterclaim. It is the claim made by the defendant against the plaintiff. It is a claim independent and separable from plaintiff's claim which can be enforced by cross-section. Counterclaim should not exceed the pecuniary limits of jurisdiction. Counterclaim shall be treated as a plaint and the plaintiff can file a return statement in answer to it. Counterclaim can be filed after filing a return statement. Now let us discuss about Rule 6B of Order 8 of Civil Procedure Code, counterclaim to be stated. Where any defendant rely upon any grounds as correction a right of counterclaim, then he should state specifically in written statement. Rule 6C of Order 8 of Civil Procedure Code deals with exclusion of counterclaim. Where a defendant sets up a counterclaim but the plaintiff contends that the counterclaim should not be disposed as a counterclaim but it should be an independent suit, then he may apply to court to exclude the counterclaim at any time before the issues are settled in relation to the counterclaim, and the court after hearing the application may make such order as it thinks fit. Rule 6D of Order 8 of Civil Procedure Code deals with effect of discontinuation of a suit. When a defendant sets up a counterclaim and the suit of a plaintiff is dismissed or stayed or discontinued, then the counterclaim should be proceeded. Rule 6E of Order 8 of Civil Procedure Code deals with default of the plaintiff to reply to the counterclaim. If the plaintiff do not reply to the counterclaim made by the defendant, then the court pronounces the judgment against the plaintiff or makes such order as it thinks fit. Rule 6F of Order 8 of Civil Procedure Code deals with relief to defendant where counterclaim succeeds. Where in any suit, a setoff or counterclaim is established as a defense to the plaintiff's claim and a balance is found due to plaintiff or defendant, the court may make a judgment to a party who is entitled to such balance. Rule 6G of Order 8 of Civil Procedure Code says that rules relating to the return statement by a defendant shall apply to the return statement filed in answer to the counterclaim. So this much regarding the video of setup and counterclaim. If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and please click on bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.